Yeah, there is a question in the chat. In my understanding, Kumarikandam is evidence of ancient Tamil civilization. Is this debated still?
Okay, Kumarikandam is an idea that probably came in early 20th century. The ancient Tamil literature talks about Kumari Kodu, Kumari Nadu. It never, see, Kandam is not a Tamil word. It's a Sanskrit word. Okay. Kandam is, Kanda Tundama Vetti Poradhu. It's a small piece. Okay. The concept of Lemuria that was developed earlier by scientists to explain why a certain animal is found in Australia, South India, and Mauritius and Africa. They thought that there is the only way it could be is if all of that were connected by a land bridge. So they imagined an immense continent. They called it Lemuria based on the lemur, that's the animal type. And then science developed the concept of continental drift. Modern science doesn't depend on this immense island. The other thing is that even with the understanding of tsunamis and earthquakes, we know that the energy that is required to sink a continent of the size that is, said to be Lemuria is so immense. And if it happened in historical times, that is within the memory of the earliest Tamil, we should still be seeing the echoes of that. There is none. The energy that is required to sink a continent of that size doesn't exist. Okay, it would have broken up the entire Earth. So there was no Lemuria. Science has already discarded it at least 60 years ago. We are still clinging to that. It's possible that there was a Kumari Nila Nietzsche is Jayakaran's concept. Okay, certainly we lost some lands in Kerala, in South India. Pandyans certainly lost some part of their land, and it is possible that Ceylon and mainland India were connected, and even the loss of that land could also be considered part of the ancient Kumari idea. But there is never an immense continent, and the idea that Tamils arose in this Kumari land or Lemuria and populated the rest of the world, and we civilized the rest of the world is a myth. We don't need to cling to that. There is no evidence to that. The DNA analysis very clearly tells us that we are all children of Africa. And that alone tells you out of Africa theory is the only one that science accepts. You cannot both be descended from Africa and also from Lemuria. That science has discarded it. We can cling to it as yet another myth, and that's about it. So I am disappointed that textbooks in Tamil Nadu still teach Lemuria and Kumarikandam as if it is accepted by science. It is not. It's a myth.
Yeah.
I know I'll be attacked for saying that.
No,
but that is the
no. Mani, you are not alone. Don't worry. It's whether we are praised or attacked, we are here to search for the truth and speak the truth.
Exactly.